Alright, so in this video we'll fix the operating system is not presently configured to run this application. Right, so stay tuned, I'll be right back shortly. Alright, so let's begin. So you might be having this configuration error in many software, especially the Microsoft Office products, so MS Excel, MS Word, and PowerPoint. Okay, so to fix this, let's simply come to your Start menu and search for Control Panel. Then click on it as it pops up. Come to Programs, and under Programs, click on Uninstall a program. Once you're here, trace to MS Office right where it is here. We're not going to uninstall it. Right click on it and click on Change. Alright, so this will give you two options. The first one is Quick Repair. This one doesn't need internet connection. Alright, so the second one is Online Repair. So after the Quick Repair doesn't fix your issue, you can go ahead and select the Online Repair, and this one takes longer time in this internet connection to download the missing files and restore them, and then get back your MS Word working for you. Okay, alright, so the first attempt is to go for the Quick Repair. Okay, I haven't selected that one, so go ahead and click on Repair. Alright, so confirm it. Alright, so this will take some few minutes to be done. So after the repair, this one will fix the configuration error. Okay, right, but if after this one it doesn't fix your issue, please leave a comment. I'll be quick to attend to that. Okay, right, so before you go, please subscribe, comment, like, and share. So thanks very much. You can call me Pau-TEC. Take good care of yourself, and I'm signing out. Goodbye.